sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand, Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children's eyes. As long as just Sunday in the sky, freedom a come, no lie. Stand tall, no chains again. We were born to be free, my friend. From the ghetto streets to Zion Plain, raise your voice like thunder rain. Stand tall, no chains again. Even when we feel the pain, hold the line, don't lose your flame. Just hold your, never walk in vain. Me see kings with crown but no heart inside. Me see poor man share his bread worldwide. Them build border but love no wall. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echoing every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Them mama Africa,
we feel your heartbeat.
Oh brothers rise and fight.
Stand for truth and
Stand broken spirit high.
no more tears, no more.
Your light guide we through the night sky. Stand tall, no chains again. Let the fire of freedom reign. From Kingston town to Soweto plain, we chant till the whole world gain. Stand tall, no chains again. Iron shackles turn into rain. Let the drum beat wash the pain. One love, one world remain. Oh, no chains again. Stand tall, my friend. Till the very end, your love we defend. Walking through the valley of shadows and pain, but my spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still. Cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, steal the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama say son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant we are singing loud. No change from we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Trenchtown to Ethiopia land, raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by we side, we will never die.
Drums beating like a thunder in my chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won.
No, chant down Babylon.
Shut them down till the morning comes.
Stand up everyone, one heart, one soul, we strong.
Africa, we home again.
Mama Africa, heal the pain.
We rise like the bright red flame.
Freedom chant we are singing loud. No chains from we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion Sound, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun a shine in the morning sky. Whoa. Freedom chant, yeah. Jah guide me. No matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small tree top. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, moyo imara stay strong, even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear jack crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, just sun still rise in the morning light. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum, fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land, hold your flame in your hand. From Kingston to Nigeria, we chant to Rufi Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Them steal we gold, them steal we name, but they can't steal the eternal flame. Hear the voices in the desert wind, Baba Yetu, let freedom begin. So I put my fist to the blazing sky and shout, Jah live, we never die. Even if the road is long and steep, the roots of truth run oh so deep. Who will fight for the youth them soul? We will fight till the final goal. Who will rise when the night get cold? We stand firm, we brave, we bold. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum, fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land, hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown, Wood, Nigeria, we chant to Rufi Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Hey. I say, one people, one destiny. Jah Rastafari. Voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit, but I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper, love is always here. Boy, raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jah will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. Oh, keep the fire burning. Oh, walking through the streets with no gold to show, but I've got love and that's enough to grow. See the children dancing barefoot in the rain, teaching us joy in the middle of the pain. Oh, yeah. Let the drum wash the hate away. We are warriors of peace and sound, stronger every time we fall to the ground. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jaja will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. No chains can hold a soul that sings. No crown can rule the heart of kings. Rise up, push through the storm. Oh, hearts too can be warm. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Me wake up with the sunrise glow. Feet on the ground, but me spirit a grow. Hear mama humming ancient song. Say, old faith child, stay strong. Road dusty, but me march again. Through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try to chain, but me heart not tame. Cause a warrior of light must remain. No mama say no.
No fear, my sun star shine brightest when I come. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear. Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light, just soldier in the fight. Through the darkness of the night, the spirit still burn bright. No chains can hold me soul, no system take control. From Africa to the world, me carry Jah love unfold.
Warrior of the light, we chant for truth and right. Raise your hand if you believe one love can end the fight.
No Babylon a pressure, Jah love are the treasure. Stand tall, me brother, lightly forever. And me see youths with no shoes, yet them still dance. And me see tears in a mama eyes, still she give life a chance.
Politician promise, but them break every plan. So we build hope in a song like a true Rasta man.
From Kingston streets to Nairobi land,
From Soweto Christ to Zion sand.
we sing freedom like the beating drum, till every last chain undone.
Hey, Jah, Jah.
Hey, Jah, Jah, stop the way we go.
Oh, Mama Africa.
Your spirit now we flow.
Warriors stand up now.
No retreat, no more.
Fire of love, let it glow, let it glow. I am a warrior of the light, heart blazing in the night. Though the world full of war and spite, we choose the path of right. No weapon formed shall win. Love break every sin. Rasta spirit deep within. Freedom where we begin.
Warrior of the light,
Keep marching through the flame. Call your name, no shame. We rise again and again, till every nation see the truth. No more tears on the youth. We are warriors of love.
standing firm, living proof. Warrior, warrior of the light.
My
smile. Time froze for just a little while. Didn't know love could feel so true, but every heartbeat calls for you. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. Through the storm, through the blue, I will stand, I will stay with you till my final day. We don't need crowds, we don't need fame. Just whisper softly my name. Let the rain fall, let the night start. Nothing can break this beating heart. If the world falls apart, you'll still live in my heart, like a song that never ends, like the sea and the wind. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. From Kingston Street to Lagos town, from Cape Coast Shore to London sound, we chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Jah love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. One world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hands, chant this song. One word, we belong. Me see the children hungry, crying out, while the leaders fight for clothes. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jacka. Africa smile, Caribbean sway. Spirit of love, guide we way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed. Hey, every nation come together. We stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation lay. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color, red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One word, love we guide. Ubuntu, I am because we are one world family, near and far, Simone, yeah. Together we rise, your light shining. All we eyes from beat, they go from shore to shore. One world, people, fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free. One world, unity. heartbeat rise again. Love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From trench down hills to Accra Street, we move to one heartbeat. One world, one heartbeat, Jah plan divine. Peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing the song. One world where we all belong. Me feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide. Jah love flow like ocean wide. One world, one heartbeat. We ride a bit.
Wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. The world fades when I hold you near. Nothing but your heartbeat in my ear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold. Your touch is the treasure I wanna hold. Troubles disappear. Every scar becomes crystal clear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. Let the world spin on its own. Oh, in your arms I feel at home. Every breath, every sigh sings a love that never dies. Everything feels right. Yeah. Even after the darkest night, the sun will rise again. Trust in Jah plan. Whoa. Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jah see your tears, He hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, promise morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has
You may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world not care, but hear me now, a seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break. Friend, from Kingston town to Berlin land, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, I promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, Jala, shine bright tonight.
Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire, oh Jah guide the way. Morning sun arise on the hill. Children cry but them keep still. Mama say tender way ma do good. My child don't fear, for Jah Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong, still we stand. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, we sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart, no storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Rise up my people. Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we hold the fire in our hand. Rise up, I and I together, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song, no matter how the journey long. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try to take we name, try to take we look, but the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep treading on. Aborigine, they ask me so. Me answer, Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown lane, we chant down greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song? Hey Baba, we are strong. Will you fight till Babylon fall? Yo, yes, we answer the call. Djembe, heartbeat, same sound. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Rise up my people. Jah love is the highest steeple. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro, no fear, no hate, no sorrow. Stand tall, my African child. Your spirit brave, your heart wild. One world, Jamaica, Jamaica, forever one. I say amen, Jah Rastafari. Woke up this morning, breeze so kind. Golden rays are dancing in my mind. Got no worries, let the world just roll. Reggae rhythm healing all my soul. Let the sunshine break the night. Let the music make it right. Sunshine on my soul. Let the good vibes flow. Life's a winding road, but I take it slow. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace. Bring me peace. Walking barefoot on the sand. Waves are clapping like a band. Friends are laughing, fires warm and bright. Singing songs beneath the moon tonight. Oh, no chains on me, just harmony. Love and rhythm set me free. Storm may come, but I will stay. With the sunshine guiding my way. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no 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 no. Born in the fire of a stolen land. Chains on your feet, but strength in your hand. They tried to break you, tried to erase, but your roots still grow in every place. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile. Walk the dust of broken town. People cry but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, don't let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try for bind, your light will take control. Children barefoot in the street sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayers in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we now bow to fear of pain, cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through we vein. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling I and I again. Stand together hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion, burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through the storm. Together we rise, together we born, yeah. Together we born, together we born. Oh yeah. Peter Tosh says stand firm for your right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Loki Dube cry out prisoner of war. Steel pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call Jah name. Even if the system try to blind we sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother sister quarrel in vain. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound. From Kingston streets to Cape Town ground, burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion, fire burn both we in a deep heart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Jah timing never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. Drum a beat for the fallen brave. We remember from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a Jah love we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar. We not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart. From the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun, till the battle day is won. One word, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, no chain can break the burning love that we create. Oh, rise up, oh, aye. Oh, guide us home. One love, one heart, we are never alone. Oh, oh, oh.
Ooh, yeah. Rain fall by my window, silence in her room. Mama lights a candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in our breeze. Stand tall even when you down on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun, cause the journey hard, but me not run. Every broken heart can rise again. Every lonely night must meet the dawn. Jah never leave you in a deep pain. Hold on strong, keep moving on. Tears turn to freedom, cries turn to song. What was weak yesterday now strong. From Trench Town streets to Cape Town sky, we lift with voice, with spirit high. Tears turn to freedom, no more chains. Love wash away the deepest stains. Hold the fire, keep it burning bright, till the whole world step into the light. Me see youths them fight just to survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot, but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze, sobbing ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land, be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh, Jah, guidance, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh, Mama Africa, we feel your love in the drum and fire. No more sorrow. Tomorrow brighter than today, we know. One heart, one road, we go. We go. Tears turn to freedom. No more fear. Jah whisper healing in the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand, one blood, one love across the land. Oh, the world try break we down, still we crown with Zion sound. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Jah love carry we through the fight, till darkness fade out of sight.
Mama Africa, why you cry? Why you cry? Oh, she wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market calls. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food in sight, but we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, our spirit live, it will never decay. Rich men dine in the city lights, while your people shiver to the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, and still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry your story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Why you cry? Children hungry, no food in sight. Stand as one, stand as one. But we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Stand as one, stand and hold on tight, we'll make it right.
Me smile and say, still my heart won't yield. We're fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love, it changed the life. Me see our tears, me wipe them away. Tell our baby we'll rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, me soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, rebel of love. Burn through the night, love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above forever. Rebel of love. In the ghetto we sing our song against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution. Breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom hand in hand. Love, go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make. Every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above. Me need only truth and love. Rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide, we stand through it all. My heart on fire, me rise above forever. Rebel of love, rebel of love. Hear me call. Jah guide, we stand through it all. My heart on fire, me rise above forever. Rebel of love. Ubuntu, brother, love again. One heart, one soul, no chain. Freedom song we carry high. Jah love never die. Beat the drum, raise the voice. Rebel of love, we make the choice. No more fear, no more pain. Love reign again. Yeah, rebel of love, shine like fire. Lift the people from the Maya, from Trenchtown to Nairobi sky. Jah love never die. Rebel of love, rise so strong. Beat of the heart, eternal song. No matter what them speak above, we live and die as rebel of love. Me and you, hand in hand. Love rebuild the broken land. Rebel of love, we won't give up. Cause Jah pour the blessing in our Cobra's core. Rebel of love. Yeah, rebel of love.
Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets grace. Island of peace, set me free, where my heart's meant to be. Island of peace, set me free, where my heart's meant to be.
sun, feel the breeze from me face. Mama praying in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough, but me trod with a heart full of fire. No chance for me spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling me name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stopped the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more. Better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jah Jah bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. Heart strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in a light. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in a night sky. Children barefoot on the red dirt ground, still laughing though hunger around. Africa me blood, Jamaica me song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. Still the youth them ready fi grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river flow. Teach the world what the elders know. Respond to the stars tonight. Make the people unite. No change can hold down a free soul life. Oh, Africa, calling back we to the roots, alright. Rise up in the morning sun. Drum a beat and the freedom come. From Trench Town straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we home. Rise up, holy fire high. No more tears in a mama eye. Star may blow, but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. Rise up, Jah light a guide we step. Ooh, no fear, no fret, till the last sunset. When the night come down, me heart start to hum. A sweet, sweet rhythm from the beating drum. Your eyes like fire, your soul like rain. You wash me sorrow, you ease me pain. Girl, you're the blessing from Jah above. Me find me peace in your tender love. No diamond shine like the light you bring. Every time you smile, me heart starts sing. Me say, baby, don't you ever go astray. Cause your love guide we every day. When the storm come crash and the night get cold, we hold each other, never lose control. It's a sweet melody of your love, flowing down from the stars above. Every heartbeat, every breath we take is a song of love that Jah create. Sweet melody of your love, like a dove flying over the sky above. No fear, no hate can tear apart this
Your voice like sunshine after rain. It heal my wounds, it ease my pain. You teach me patience, you teach me grace. In your arms me find my place. No silver, no gold can buy this way. Jah know me love you every day. So let the rhythm play slow and long. We sway together to just sweet song. Through this struggle me not complain, cause love like ours never go in vain. And sweet melody of your love, blessed from the heavens above. Through the fire, through the rain, our heartbeat one again. The sweet melody of your love, we rise like morning dove. No chain, no wall can break this love Jah himself create. Jah loving our soul tonight. Shine your light, oh Jah light. When darkness come, we still hold tight. Cause love is strong, Jah make it right. All together one flame, one destiny. You and I, Jah harmony. And sweet melody of Jah love, rising high like morning dove. Let the trumpet sing, let the drums play on, cause this love will never done. Sweet melody of Jah love, flow like river, pure and tough. Forever yours, forever true. Jah bless the love between me and you. Sweet melody, Jah love within we. Oh, in every breath, in every seed, sweet melody of Jah love forever flow from above. Oh, again. Yeah. Oh, mama, Africa home. In the darkness, me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain night. Last night me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up, mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. Jah bless the soul, we never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. A new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, oh, let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry. Only Jah love paint the sky. My granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. Though Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain me soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call Jah name. Them build wall fi keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We're one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. The light of Jah upon heal your weary eyes. Zion calling, don't you fear. Jah love whisper, I'm right here. Sunrise, sunrise, over Zion, over Zion, over Zion. One heart, one soul, one Jah design. Oh, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Jah. Oh, yeah. I wake up to the morning light. Though the world is cold sometimes, I hear the drums of ancient souls calling me to stay alive. My mama said, child, don't lose your faith. Storms will come, but they don't stay. So I keep walking this dusty road with Jah love light in my way. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way. I'm not alone, even far away from home. I will stand, I will pray. Guide my way. They offer gold to buy my dreams, silver crown and selfish schemes. But I was born from African clay. My spirit no one can take away. Let the wind carry my song to the ones who feel they don't belong. Lift your head and sing with me. Love is our true legacy. Yeah, Jah. Through night and day, keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way. I'm not alone, even far away from home. I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. I've seen brothers fall to hate, sisters crying at the gate. But even in the hardest time, Jah still whispers you are mine. So let the fire burn in peace. Let your anger find release. Plant forgiveness in the ground, and one day love will be found. Oh, emancipate your wandering mind. Leave your broken past behind. Every heart was made to shine. We are children of divine. Jah is not in temples made of stone. Jah is found when love is shown. Close your eyes, you will see He lives in you and me. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my soul from drifting away. Through the fire, through the rain, your love heals my pain. Jah guide my way. I'm not alone, even far away from home. I will stand, I will say, Jah guide my way. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke up the herb, rise up to the sky. Old man home while the children cry. Life so rough yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the sky. God bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love we build our sound. Under the sunset in a Trench Town ground. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah. Sunset over Trench Town. Rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound. Oh yeah, Trench Town. Oh, you see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write our history. From the ghetto come the crown. We kings and queens of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Light in the breeze. Sound of hope travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We free in the sunset of Trench Town. Together, from Kingston to Accra, one love, conquer all. Drum beat, dog, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond, we feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the heart. Roots and love, that's where we start. Music heal, your love surround. Peace and pride in a Trench Town song. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 yo. Sunset over Trench Town. Oh, yeah. Fire in the sky. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sunset over Trench Town. Burning gold. Story of the people strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, Jah light shine on Trench Town. Oh, yeah. Trench Town. Oh. Me walk again by the sandy street. Heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray. Sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever. Oh. Soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, me whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In this life, love is the prayer.
No worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Oh,
song sweet and divine.
Loving out the moonlight, slow wine and sway. Two souls dance until the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart say, darling, I love you so.
Whoa. Whoa. Palm trees whisper song in the night. Your kiss warm like candlelight. Life may rough, but love make it soft. With you, me flying high above every loss.
No jealousy, no games, no lies. Just truth living deep in your eyes. Like sweet harmony on a vinyl plate. Our love timeless, it never late.
Do you love me?
More than rivers love the sea.
Will you stay with me?
Till the stars fall asleep.
Together, love is the melody we keep. Loving in the moonlight, night so calm and pure. Every heartbeat whisper this love secure. Hold me tight, never let go. Baby girl, I want the whole world to know.
Loving out the moonlight, soft reggae play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day. If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. But love is the river, forever it flows.
Moonlight, oh, shine by you and me tonight. Love so right, love so bright. Moonlight, oh, yeah, oh. Raindrops fall upon the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rubber dub love. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch heal me deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving at the rubber dub rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune, no fame. Still I whisper softly your name. Loving at the rubber dub rain. Like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain. Forever in this rubber dub rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane. Warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care. Long as your fingers run through me here. Let the world run wild out there. We got love to share. Loving on the rubber dub rain.
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
Like love still grows.
Soft chant,
Rub-a-dub, rub-a-dub, rain.
baby, don't let go. Rub-a-dub,
Rub-a-dub, rub-a-dub, rain.
love will overflow.
Loving how the rub-a-dub rain from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again in rub-a-dub rain.